You know what I was trying to do, but I didn't get here earlier enough, was I wanted to grab a printer and just like hold on to it while I was talking to you. Welcome. I would say welcome in this great space.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Where are we right now in this space, in the middle of this space right now?
We are in, I think, our product center. So we have a huge Amplify theater, and we've got waterfalls, we got great printers, we got, it looks great.
When I see a whole bunch of printers.
Printers, that's right.
Does that make you smile?
It does, it does. That's what I live for, man, so.
I know, I was about to take one and borrow one, but you know, when I'm looking at these printers, which obviously I have one too, you know, when I think of AI and printing, not necessarily it comes to top of mind.
Yeah, that's probably right.
And so what do you think in that sector, why AI is so prevalent there?
Well, I think AI has an opportunity to really make things easier for us by enabling a better experience. And the printing experience has a lot of opportunities to improve. And so we'll talk a little bit about that today. But you know, when you think about getting the right printout from your whatever application you're running, Word or email or whatever, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And believe it or not, even when it doesn't work, the printer is doing exactly what you told it to do. It says there's a page break, there's an HTML, it should be over 3 pages. That's the instruction sets that we get from the PC. So we do what we're told. What we want to do with AI is we want to anticipate and build context to what you want to print. Of course we know you don't want the Excel spreadsheet over 5 pages. Of course we know that you don't want a page break right in the middle of a graphics that's on 2 pages. That doesn't make any sense. Now, freeing us from doing exactly what we're told is the magic of AI. Yeah. We make our machine smarter. We anticipate knowing the context of what you want to print and translate that onto paper. And then in addition to just printing what you have, we can actually open the door for printing what you really want. So we all have pictures of our kids playing basketball or baseball, and usually, you know, they're pretty standard pictures. What we want is the cool posters that we want to hang on the wall or with a happy birthday on it. Creating that is a frustrating path sometimes. Yeah. Lots of different applications, styles, and and Sundar said it well yesterday, AI has the potential to bring joy back in creativity. And I think that's something we have an opportunity to do with an HP.
Well, you had me when you said we were skipping the 5 pages of printing.
Yeah, exactly.
Fit it the way I want it. And I think that is interesting because your point is the experience. But I also think now people are printing possibly more because of hybrid work.
Exactly.
And so with hybrid work, what solutions are you all working on to ensure that's even more smoother?
Yeah, hybrid work is I think, when you think about hybrid work, especially for PC, for print, it's all about manageability, security, and productivity. How do you enable a secure, manageable environment and enable your employees to be productive no matter where they work gets done? That disaggregation of work poses lots of different challenges. And for print, one of the key challenges is, can we make sure that printer is secure? Can we make sure that printer is manageable? Can we make sure that the work you do in the office, like matching up a PO, scanning documents, all of that is done wherever the user is. Yeah. And so for us, our office lineup is a consistent lineup, that has the same software stack, so you can load workflow solutions on top. We have great security built into our devices. We have great manageability built into our devices. So that's really what we're thinking in terms of how we address the hybrid work. And a lot of IT managers come back and they're telling us, they're all in the process of thinking through this. How do we lay out our office for collaboration? How do we actually enable people to be productive in their homes? What does that look like? And HP's got a real opportunity there with Poly and PC and printers.
So I'm gonna change it up now a little bit. Here we go, word association. Think of what pops in your mind first. So when I say the future of print is.
Right.
What makes you feel that way?
Because you look around, look at the products, look at the innovation. We think there's an opportunity with AI to really change the customer experience. So in addition to great products, great solutions, great services, we've got great technology.
What does it look like in the next 2 years? Right, we're excited right now. How different is it going to look?
I think it's going to be radically different. I think just like we talked about yesterday, we were at a nexus of innovation. We're kind of like it was a great example, from folks who've been in the industry for a while. Sundar's been around for a while, Enrique's been around for a while. It was, they talked about, hey, the advent of the PC, the advent of the internet, the advent of mobile and cloud, and then the advent of AI. And so if you think about the 4 decades we've been in computing, We're in that fourth decade. AI, we believe, is that next step. And I think that the use cases we talked about, reformatting your Excel spreadsheet, make sure it's on one page, that's like tip of the iceberg.
You're
that's
giving me nightmares when you say Excel printing out sheets. So if you solve that problem, I think a lot of people will be happy.
Yeah, that's a great problem to solve, but it's just the first order problem.
Yeah.
There's many, many other problems we can solve.
So the ecosystem knows this, but not everybody knows this. People sometimes think of HP as just printers in their home. Well, large format printing is something that you all have been the leaders in.
Yes, yes.
So walk me through a little bit of what excites you about that sector.
Well, oh man, what excites me about large format? Number one, all of our products in our portfolio you see here, these are brand new portfolio that we launched last year. We've got everything from small offices, small architect offices, all the way up to enterprise and the work they're doing. And they're fantastic products in their own right. I think we've also layered on a set of solutions for the people who are, customers who consume the large format products. Not only are they great hardware, we also enable great care packs, we enable knowledge bases. We also enabled a solution called web to print. A lot of these mom and pop graphics stores don't have the capability to bring their catalogs online digitally. And they're in the old school, man. You go into one of those shops, you say, okay, I need this poster printed out. Here's my file, please print this out. I'll be back in 2 hours, let me know when it's done. Imagine that the support pack we have allows these partners to actually put their catalog online, send the file to them, they can charge you with Shopify, and that just enhances their business operations all around, gives them an opportunity to grow revenue. The other thing I'm excited is also, what you see back there, the little yellow robot that we have. And it's about construction. We've been in this large format industry serving architects and construction for many, many years. What we've done is we've got a little robot that actually prints on the floor. So we used to spend time with the architects printing their floor plans out on paper. And we're like, well, okay, we just skip the paper part. We just actually enable a robot, literally a robot with wheels on it, with GPS and telemetry and connectivity to basically lay out on the ground the actual floor plan. Then the framers come and the guys who put, venting and windows and all that, and they can do it right there. You cut out the paper part, you cut out the air, you cut out all the manual labor. So I'm excited about that.
We're in Vegas. Outside, I don't know if you played last night or going all in on something, but you don't need to tell me.
No,
you don't need to tell me.
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, man. So.
But I need you to tell me though one thing.
Okay.
What do you bet in bull bets all in the tech space?
Wow, that's a big, what's in the tech space? I mean, if I had to bet, I bet AI. I bet AI in the tech space. It's going to revolutionize the way we think about technology and what's possible. If you really think about it, it opens up possibilities. Now, not everything we say is going to come true, but it opens up a lot of possibilities, almost in everything you look at.
Here's another word association.
Okay, word association.
Right. Are you ready? This one's a little tougher.
All right.
As soon as I say the word, you got to tell me exactly the first thing that top
I was fast with right. I was good there.
You were? Looked like you were almost prepared. You didn't know I was going to say that. The word amplify.
Amplify. Partners.
And the ecosystem, the partnership, how's that going to evolve over the next couple of years?
I think our partners are the lifeblood of HP. And the Amplify program is really designed as that. It's really to amplify. We're here to amplify their effect to the customers. And we're here to support them. That's what the genesis of the word is. And so when you say amplify, I say partners, and it represents what we need to do to support our partners to amplify their impact with their customers. And as you think about how that's going to change in the future, again, we're going to be in the mode of solution selling.
Yeah.
We're going to be in the mode of actually addressing customer needs in a more fundamental way rather than moving boxes.
Yeah.
So over the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, it's about really understanding what our partners need to address those customer problems, and HP building the necessary tools so that the partners can add value on top and go to market as one. And that's why the other theme is united, we win.
Well, you got me excited about printing because I feel like it's changed so much.
All right, thank you, man. Take care.
I appreciate you.
Take care.